Heard on the radio today that today is 420. It's the International Pot Smoking Day. I don't smoke pot, so I won't be able to partake in the celebrations. Oh well. Happy 420, everybody that supports 420. Today I'm on my way to go see my little girl in a play. A play? Yes, I think she's in a play. I don't know. It's something at school. I gotta get there for 9 o'clock. It's 10 to 9. It's Grandparents' Day today. That's the other thing that it is. I don't know if that's just a Waldorf school thing, but Grandparents' Day. I wonder how many of the grandparents were around when 420 started back in the 70s. I wonder how many partook. Probably not very many. Well, I'm leaving the Waldorf school. That was a lovely assembly. It was put on by grades 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grades 4 and 5 just came in for a bunch of singing at the end. And now I'm off. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's the yacht club cleanup. Now, one of the things I want to do, it doesn't get me any readier for tomorrow, is wash the car. It is filthy. So I'm going to go do that right now. Looks like I had the right idea at the right time. Just wash the car. There's like 6 people waiting. It is nice to have a clean car. Now, I'm going to head home, start at my list of stuff I need for tomorrow. I'm going to charge up some batteries, my 18-volt batteries. And I'm going to bring a bunch of 18-volt tools and wheelbarrow and shovels and rakes and all that type of stuff for tomorrow at the yacht club. You never know what we're going to be doing. If something needs fixed, I want to have the tools there to do that. And that means bringing a whole whack of them. Working on this. The nuts have sunk into the wood, so I'm going to have to pound it. The other side. Got the tire off. Now we gotta get the tire off the rim. Found out there isn't a tube in this. Wow, it's held air a lot longer than I thought it would. So let's pull this off or cut this off, and then we'll put a tube in. Okay, so I've got the tube inside there now. Now I've got to put the rubber back on. Oh, there's the bearings. I really should clean that up. Let's get some bar saw. You can get some of that old grease off of there. That's much better. Loose. No chunks. Okay, and I can put this back together. Just need to get some grease in it. So that's that. I've re-greased this, and we should be good for a very long time. I don't know how long it's been since this was greased, but I've never done it. So, it's been a while. Let's go put this back on. Okay, that's good. We got one wheelbarrow fixed. That will last a very, very long time now. So I found my lug nuts. These are the original lug nuts that came on the Suzuki. I painted them black because they looked really bad. The paint's come off. They look worse. So these are what I'm going to use to hold the hub spacers on. They go in there, and then the wheels attached to these studs. I've got new nuts coming. I've got a problem here. See, the my nut sticks out further than the spacer. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut the top of this domed part off of these nuts so that it'll fit down inside here, where it won't affect the tire, because the tire is going to sit flat on this part here. Most of the stuff on my list is complete. I have to put the rakes, shovel, and I'm not going to bring a pick tomorrow, but the rake, shovel, and wheelbarrow go into the trailer in the morning, and off we go. My beautiful wife is home. We just had lunch together, and I'm going to wrap up the day here. Thanks for watching. Click the clicky things, and now you know how to fix your wheelbarrow tire.